how to buy Qubetics token on LBank. So this token came under the symbol of TICS, TICS. Now before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check their account and keep following their updates about this token, and don't forget to check their Telegram channel too. Now what you need to do, as you can see, open a new window and type LBank like this. Now, as you can see, make sure to log into your account. So go to search bar here and type TICS like that. And you will be able to find this pair. Now click on it. Now wait a few seconds to load this page. Now after that, what you need to do, as you can see here, type here how much you want to buy, as you can see. And here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, you will be able to see the amount of the USDT, as you can see, like that. So now you can click on buy TICS. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to see your token added to your account. So this is how to buy TICS on LBank. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.